Hello guys, welcome back on today's video. Do you know that Infinix has already launched another new smartphone? A big shout out to the Infinix new phone for a new design every year. Straight to the point, we are talking about the new Infinix Smart 10 Plus with some incredible features. It comes with 6000 mAh battery and a new color option, so it can be easy for you to pick any color of your choice. First of all, let's talk about the design. When holding it, I love how minimalistic it looks. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack, microphone, charging port, and the manual speaker. At the top is where the secondary speaker located. That is pretty amazing. At the left corner is where the fingerprint smudge is located and the volume up and down rocker key. At the right side is where the SIM has thread located, which accommodates 2 nano SIM card with a space of SD card slot. Gaming on this device is a massive. You don't have to worry because we already have a bigger battery here. Please, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming across my channel, I will be happy if you use this opportunity to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Let's talk about other things. As for the unboxing experience, it comes with a green packaging box. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the phone. Digging inside the box, we see the charger and the USB Type-C cable. Yes, the 18-watt fast charger is what we got inside the box. Let's go ahead and talk about the phone. For durability, it supports IP64 dust and water resistance. That means it can survive water splashing on it from all angles, which is pretty good and amazing. Now let's talk about the display. It is a 6.6 inches capable to pick a brightness of 700 nits. That makes it more enjoyable when consuming content with this device. To be honest, we are good to go. Gaming on this device, everything runs pretty good smooth for the price it offers. For the processor, it comes with SOC T7250 processor. The SOC chip on here isn't actually bad for the price it offers as long as you don't expect much from it. For me, I don't have any problem with it. Let's talk about other things. As for the Antutu score, this is the result. Now let's talk about the camera. It comes with 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. These are some of the pictures taken with the Infinix Smart 10 Plus. For me, the pictures taken with this device are okay for the price it offers. So let me know what you guys think down the comment section below. The 8 megapixel selfie camera also give a good result as well. The Smart 10 Plus also powered with MediaTek Helio G81 processor. Now coming to my conclusion, if you're going for this device, it's gonna deliver a bigger battery, a dual stereo speakers, not even that, a decent processor for the price it offers. It also supports an higher blaster for your electronic appliances. Well, that is pretty good and amazing. This is my unboxing and review of the new Infinix Smart 10 Plus. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.